gonna believe this.
Yo, believe what? How'd it go?
It was great, all right? There was this NBA agent there, and then there was a scout, and I played amazing, all right? And then the scout wanted to ask me about if I had an agent.
Slow down. You ain't making sense, man. Is this one of them jokes? Like an agent, a scout, and a DJ walking a bar?
No, B, it's not a joke, okay? There was a scout there. He was a scout from the Chicago Bulls. All right, and he wanted me to try out for the team.
Yo.
He wanted me to do a tryout, but he asked me if I had an agent, and I said yes, because I panicked, right? But there was this dude walking around before the scout who was passing out these business cards.
Yo,
and I
back
took
up.
the business cards.
Did you
and
get anything? His name, his blood type, his insurance, his address, his mama's maiden name, nothing?
I think his name was like Ryan or Brian or something, but he said he has an office around the corner and he's local.
Found him. Brian Lee.
Let me see.
Yo, I don't know about these Yelp reviews, though.
Hey, forget all that. I'm
Susie
texting him right now.
Q got a grudge. Anything?
Nah, not yet. Oh, there he is. Hey, he says he's got a couple minutes to talk to me about the job.
The job? What does that mean?
I don't know what it means, B, but this is my opportunity. Hold my ball.
Yo, I got you. Yo, you want me to come with? Check it out?
No, I'm good. Oh,
Okay,
man.
I'll hold it down here. What just happened?
Mom, it is a virtual bouquet. What do you mean? It's better than real flowers. They never die. Yeah, though it's a mother. Yeah, I gotta go. What's up?
I'm sorry. Are you talking to me?
Yes. You texted me about the position that you want to try out.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's intern wages. You know, you get paid in experience here.
What? No. I'm not talking about here. You remember me, right? You met me at the MJ event, the tournament, the basketball tournament. I played, and you were handing out your business card.
I give out a lot of cards. I mean, you gotta really wow me, blow me away if I'm gonna actually
remember. All right, look, here's the deal, okay? There was a scout there from the Chicago Bulls.
Yeah?
And they want me to try out for the team.
What?
They want me to try out for the team.
Yes, they want you. Because you're amazing. I remember you.
You
exactly.
remember me now?
Yes, every
Okay.
move you did, every swivel, every dribble, every dunk, and all those things that you do, because you play basketball incredibly well. I knew it from when I saw you.
Thank you. So this guy, I don't remember
Larry.
Who?
He's like brown hair, polo shirt.
Yes, that's the guy.
That's their scout. That's the guy.
So
he does all their scouting. I know him. I know of him at least. I saw him at the event. Yeah, so they want you to go to the workout.
Yes.
And you need an agent.
Right. Well, I mean, so I was talking to Larry after, and I kind of told him that you were my agent. I just gave him the business card that you gave to me, and so he's probably going to call you soon.
Well, it's good that you did that. Because, what is your name?
DJ.
DJ. I would like to offer you my services as an agent.
Are you any good? I mean, and no offense, it's just my friend showed me your Yelp page. It doesn't really look
Yelp.
fantastic.
I discovered you, didn't I?
Not really, no.
I believe you just said I gave you my card.
You gave your card to everyone, though.
I gave you my card because I saw talent. And now, that talent is here because he needs the best agent in this entire business.
Who are you talking to?
That is right. You, sir, are going to go all the way. You're going to go so high. It's going to be incredible because tomorrow is the biggest first day in your entire career.
Yeah.
If you sign just one contract in this business, you are set for years. If you sign 2 contracts, you're set for a lifetime. We might be getting ahead of ourselves.
Seriously, man.
You need to go home. You need to get some rest. You got to be there tomorrow, first thing. You drink some water. Take care of yourself, because tomorrow you need to learn how to eat what you kill.
What does that mean?
DJ, in this business, you do not eat unless you take food out of someone else's mouth. And tomorrow, you need to go in there like you are so hungry. You will starve to death unless you grab a big, juicy roster spot out of the jaws of every other player that is there who wants it just as badly as you do. Do you want it badly?
I want it badly.
Eat what you kill.
Eat what you kill.
Eat what you kill.
Eat what you kill.
I will call you tomorrow.
All right.
You have a good day. I'm going to buy my mom some real flowers.
Yo, what's up, man? Hey, thanks for coming. Hey, I said thanks for coming.
Hey, I'm DJ.
Okay, DJ, I'm the assistant coach. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what this is. You know, a while back I was in your exact same position. Yeah, I went undrafted, sweated out for the summer, and then I got invited to a workout. Didn't know what to expect, man. I was so nervous. I was more nervous than I've ever been. You nervous?
I'm just happy to be here.
Oh, well, good for you. I was nervous. My knees were shaking, knocking all together. I was like the shook ones, you know? Sequel to the sequel, part 3. You know what? Don't even worry about it, young brother. That's before your time. But I got a scrimmage I want to get you into, okay? Yo, bring it in. All right, guys, this here is DJ. DJ's gonna be running with you on the next round. I want you to give him a little taste of how we get down in the NBA, yeah?
What's going on, man? DJ. Hey, how you living, man? What's good? Let's get it.
DJ, how do you feel about another run?
I feel great about another run.
You tired?
Not at all.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely positive.
Yep.
Now, if I put you in this game and you tell me you're tired, I'm gonna be upset because you just told me you weren't tired.
Understood.
I mean, I can find another guy. It's nothing.
I'm your guy, coach.
Good. I want to see you against the starters. Hey, guys, over here. So I'm gonna put you in this next scrimmage over here.
All right, coach.
Guys, listen. DJ's trying out, and he looked pretty good against the twos, but the coaching staff wants to see what he's really made of. So don't get all precious on me. I need you to give him the business, okay? Please.
What's going on, man? DJ, what's good? What's good? Hope you guys are ready.
Watch outside! Who got here? Do it! Switch! Box up! Hey, mine! switch! I got your help! That's all right! What's the roll? Put the pressure up! Yeah, watch the screen! Screen coming! I got your help! Force left! Watch the screen! Hey, push! Come get it! Come get this! Shut up! Oh, that's a lie! Hey, who got low? Yeah, let's go, let's do it! Watch the screen! Screen! Put it back! Oh my! Way to get it right! Yeah, that's on you, baby. That's on you, man. Hey, slow it up. Next time, man. Next time.
Yo, DJ. So I was thinking, there is definitely a spot on this team for a player with your skill set.
Are you saying I made the team?
Well, I'm just the assistant coach. I don't do the signings, but I do make recommendations. And I would recommend to the front office and the coach that if they found a guy with your skill set, your size, and who can play ball the way you do, then they should potentially sign that guy. So tell your agent that we'll be in touch, potentially.
Got it. Thanks for the opportunity.
Of course.